Hello, welcome back. This is my second part of my FURLA bag unboxing. I already gave you all my reasons why I like to purchase bags at that store online, Sac Fifth Avenue Fit on my first video. So go check my first video. And I didn't want to do one entire video of those two bags because I decided I wanted to give each bag their own time. And this is my second video, and let me show you my other bag. But the prices and the promotions are really good at Sac Fifth Avenue of Fit, especially if you are looking to buy bags or sometimes shoes. I don't know about clothing there, but I like to buy fragrances at Sac Fifth Avenue too. And this bag is a smaller. This is my third FURLA bag and it's a smaller. And this is in the style, let me see the receipt. This is, oh, it doesn't say here. I'm going to look online. I'm gonna leave you the links for all the FURLA bags that are available now at the Sac Fifth Avenue Fit. Don't forget to sign up for their emails so you can be notified when they have extra 25% off on their designer bags. So you can save if you want to save. Let's open it. I like that it comes with the protective bag. I like these bags. I keep mine in the bag because of the dust and whatever other things are in my closet. Oh wow. Yeah, it's green. Yeah, I remember I saw that the color, it was green. And I was thinking that it's a nice green color because it's not a bright green. This is the color that I want to wear with my white clothes. This green color is like more earthy color. It's not bright green. This has those little feet here. It has 4. This is really nice. I really like the size of this bag, but this one have the logo here at the front. And I like this color green. This is more like a military green, more like an olive green. These look like the black tote that I got that I unboxed in my previous video. It looks the same, but it's a smaller. This is a smaller. It's the same style, but this is a smaller. It has the 3 compartments and it's brown from the inside. That's nice. Yes, this color is very earthy. Oh, it feels very soft from the inside. This is, yeah, it's like suede. The inside is like suede leather. Ooh, and this smells like leather. I like that new leather smell. The smell is not as strong, but it's leathery. I like it. Oh, and it has the big the shoulder strap. The third compartment is like fabric, and the other two compartments without zipper, they are like suede leather, and it smells good. I like it. It has another little bag here in the zipper pocket. It has the little pocket inside, and it has another pocket in one of the outside big pockets. Oh, and it has the little booklet. Oh, it says pearls. Pearl is piel. Pearl is leather. I like this bag. I really do. I'm happy. You know, I want this for to wear with my white clothes. Yes, because I didn't have one. I'm looking for a brown one or a yes, like a brown one, nude color. But that's why I picked this one, because they didn't have a brown one that I like from FURLA. They only had the green one and pink one, but pink I don't think it's good for me anymore. But I really like this color. This you can wear like this, or you can wear it with the shoulder strap. I like that it has the shoulder strap. And this one has the little hooks here for the shoulder strap. So I'm going to put them on right now. Here. Ooh, I like it. The big Tote don't have that. I like this bag. Oh, forgot to mention, the buttons here are magnetic. Yeah. Let's put this on. Okay, let's put on the shoulder strap. I like the shoulder strap. You can make it shorter or longer depending on your size. Here it is. Ooh, I like it. And when I go to a tour or somewhere, walking, then I could wear this like crossbody. This is nice. This is the logo. It has two sides. The metallic side and the leather side. So this has a little bling. And the logo is here. So let me show you how it looks like on my shoulders. I'm going to move the camera. Ooh, I like that it's magnetic. This bag it has a very good size. It's like medium size. It's not large, it's not small, it's medium. And I think this fits a lot of things. I think it fits a water bottle, a small water bottle. And also your tablet fit here, your phone fit here, your wipes fit here, your cosmetics, your beauty your cosmetics and skincare, your cosmetics and travel skincare. Your cosmetic and skincare fits here perfectly. This middle pocket is big. So this is a really good size bag. I like it. I'm really happy with my purchase. Okay, let me show you how it looks like on me. Let me move everything here so I can show you. This is the difference in sizes. This is a smaller and this is big one. So basically the same style. The only difference is that this one has the shoulder strap, and the black one, since it's a tote, it doesn't have the shoulder strap. So, I like both. I like this one because I can bring a bottle of water, I can bring a book, I can bring whatever I want. It's big. And I like this one more like for day-to-day wear, the green one. So I'm happy with both, and this one smells like leather. Let me see the other one. This one also smells, but it smells less. But it's very soft from the inside. It seems like it's like some type of suede leather, or maybe it's the fabric, or maybe it's leather. They say it's leather. I hope it's leather. Well, that's it for this bag unboxing and first impression. FURLA bags. They both have the logo in the front, and they both have the little hanging thing here with the logo. So I'm happy with my purchase. I hope this video is of some help to you if you are planning to get this type of style of bags from FURLA bags. This is how they look like, and that just for reference, I am short, I'm 5'2", and this is how the bags looks on me. That's it for this video. I hope to see you next time. Bye.